I would like now to introduce your speaker for today, Patrick Haggerty. Patrick Haggerty is a tax practitioner, author, and educator. His work experience includes non-profit organization management, banking, manufacturing accounting, and tax practice. He began teaching accounting at the college level in 1988. He is licensed as an enrolled agent by the U.S. Treasury to represent taxpayers at all administrative levels of the IRS and is a certified management accountant. He has written numerous articles and a monthly question and answer column for payroll publications. In addition, he regularly develops and presents webinars and presentations on a variety of topics, including payroll tax issues, FLSA compliance, and information return reporting. Mr. Haggerty, welcome to the program. We are now ready to begin.
Oh, thank you, Michael, and welcome everyone to the session on accounts payable, internal controls, and we will be covering quite a bit of ground today, so I'll move fairly quickly through this. Let me get control of the slides here, and we'll begin. We'll talk about, the first thing we'll talk about is the definitions of internal control. We'll take a look at several ways that they're defined or laid out for us by some of the organizations that are concerned with this sort of thing. And we'll be talking about developing controls and control classifications and some other bases for identifying the need for controls and setting them up. We'll take a look at a few accounts payable control examples. And then we'll talk about data security because that's becoming a really big issue at this point, and some of the resources available that might be helpful in developing and establishing a data security program, and then move on to your questions at that point. Starting with the definitions of internal controls, we're going to start off with a COSO definition, and the COSO is the Committee of Sponsoring Organizations of the Treadway Commission. The organizations included in that are the Institute of Management Accountants, the American Accounting Association, the American Institute of CPAs, Institute of Internal Auditors, and the Financial Executives International. The Treadway Commission is a private sector initiative formed in 1985 after some financial scandals, foreign corrupt practices scandals, and some other things, and some legislation that was passed related to those items. And it was established to inspect, analyze, and make recommendations on fraudulent financial reporting and some of the other issues that were involved at that time. Under the COSO framework, the key concepts of internal control is that it's a process, it is a means to an end, not an end in itself, and